So your gear has a warranty. That doesn't mean you're covered. Here's how most IT managers discover the difference. Something fails, could be a display, control system, an audio processor, doesn't matter. It fails, and it fails before something that matters. An assembly, a board presentation, a room full of students waiting. You call the integrator or your AV provider, or worse, a box mover, and they say that'll be a manufacturer warranty claim. Log a ticket and they'll be in touch. It's not really abandonment, that's just how warranty works. Manufacturer warranty covers the product, the part, the hardware. It does not cover the labour to diagnose it. It does not cover the site visit to confirm it. And it doesn't cover the interim solution while the replacement is on order. And it definitely doesn't cover the assembly that happened this morning while you were waiting for a ticket response. Now, that gap between what the warranty covers and what the school actually needs is where IT managers get left. So what schools need isn't just a warranty, it's a support agreement. One that covers response time, on-site attendance when it matters, and an interim workaround when the part is 3 days away, and a real human who answers the phone, not a ticketing system. So at the big picture, post-install support is standard. Clear contact pathways from day one, and our standard is simple. You touch it, you own it. That doesn't stop when the invoice is paid. Because if something fails in your school, we're not pointing at the manufacturer, we're owning the problem and getting you through it. That's not what warranty covers. That's a real AV partner commitment. So before you sign off on any AV install, ask your integrator one question. If something fails after handover, not in the first week, but 6 months in, what happens? Who do I call? What's your response time? And who owns the problem? If the answer is vague, you've just found the gap. Now, warranty is what the manufacturer promises. Support is what the integrator delivers. Make sure you know which one you're actually buying. Bye for now.